say, I think I could have deal with it. But the fact is that God was sent to do the works of, Jesus was sent to do God's work, right? So Jesus never have a problem I get when I get no. But like may I read the word I may say. Like through the word, I know say a man write the Bible in but I don't know if because of how they write it, it just sound like God is being so sarcastic and I be so rude. But like through the word I can just say, like God I say, you don't understand. When I tell you say, if me feed, I tell you say, but just take heed, be reminded about the Pharisees them and how them stay, just go on, just understand. But instead, you not talk among yourself, but you know bring your bread. Me I tell you say, you don't understand. If me make 4,000 man get bread at our 7 loaf of bread now, I'm gonna make them man they eat. How much basket you take with your gallon? And 400 man, 5 loaf of bread, and you see them gone. Why wanna have faith and just go on ways? You don't understand. Then one next time now, Pharisees I say, I said to God, I say, how if man not stay to them wife or so? And God say, you know read the Bible, you know read when God put the two of them together, make them as one man and woman, and he put them together. Wait, what may I say? The Pharisees them I said to God say that the Pharisees say isn't it lawful? Yeah, the Pharisees them I say, isn't it lawful for a man to be put away from his wife? And God I say, you know read. You understand? In the beginning, God make man and woman. But whatever God put together, they make one flesh. And whatever God put together, no man can asunder, no man can take apart. So that's not supposed to take place. Then the Pharisees I say, a bad man I say, then how Moses did make divorcement law for say. Then God said, because on the heart too tough, and instead of work it through, on want left, on significant other for what have you. Yo, God set up different in the middle of injustice. But no man, gotta say, because I'm honest on the heart. One time, the Pharisees them dirty man. The Pharisees them not have nothing about him. If I did me for do God work, me couldn't do it, you know. No wonder God did put Jesus in our belly to make him do the work. Because if I did up to it for do it, man, with a cuss and galang bad. Anyways, God got through some things on earth for doing work, right? And some of them things are like the Pharisees and the devil and temptation and what have you. Now you have a bag of Pharisees that tell God I say, boho. One time, me never the people that write the Bible write this number, me just feel like I be a sarcasm I go on, you know. Like the way you're gonna talk to the people them, like I talk to the Pharisees them, I just be ashamed. But anyways, God say that God heal one man. So scribes and Pharisees come and say, how would a man come and me talking in my language though, you know. How would a man come and talk about your healing and what have you? You're blasphemeth. And God look at him like God I say, so Jesus already know what in our heart, you know. I know say I be an evil thought. God said, who are you to be thinking such evil thoughts? Instead of me going to the people to the man to tell him arise and shine, you are now being judges of your own self, you know. You know, I think it's like me don't know obviously God just set up the friend. Then one next time, one next time Jesus eat bread like him have lunch with the sinners and savers and them people then. Pharisees are come and say, oh, which man of God you want come and eat with? It's like, me I read and me I say, what to them Pharisees? I want to scare out the man. But I understand why the first part I understand why they must say in my blasphemy, because them things that God was just a normal man. I do the works, like people just take up themselves as heal man, but they never know say he was really the son of God. And when they realize he was the son of God, they bow down. After someone with time, we just enough and chat. See things I want to run off remote instead of we ask questions, we just want to use our heart and chat bare fat. But yeah, and then God said to the Pharisees, say, yeah man. I didn't expect that, because him there said to a Peter, and there say it to. So I tell you now. So God did normal teaching, you know. So Peter did it too. And he might talk to people, they might tell him, say, what is not what you eat. I know where you put in your mouth defile a man, but how you set from your mouth defile a man. Because the things that when you put in your mouth, food and so them come back out of your body, and so that not defile who you be. But who you be, when you talk from your heart, you know, evil thoughts come from your mouth, and so that defile it who you be. So Peter did, and Peter said, God, you know, the Pharisees, them like them ashamed, they are offended by what you said. God said, Peter, like he must say, them offended by what you say also, and he want God to repeat what you say. So Peter said, so God said, Peter, you don't understand. You look like you don't understand. Peter said, God said, let me repeat myself. I say repeat the parable, then I say, whatever you put into your mouth, right? So I take it, because the first time, you know, you need to say it from me part like him that talk parables, but this time, you might take it down deeper down now, like real for real now, so Peter can understand. Can look like Peter, I think about where the Pharisees them have to say and what have you, but God want Peter to understand. Say, this is what me I tell you, brother. Listen to me I have to say right now. God say, what defileth a man is what comes out from his mouth. Because evil thoughts, where I think, make him have to say what him have to say from his heart. But the thing that when you put in your mouth, the food and the drink, that's not what defile. The type of food where you eat and so, that don't defile who you be. Because at the end of the day, they're going to leave your system. So what defiles you, Mr. Peter, yo, Peter said, Peter never said us to you. Peter they just say, alright God, and he just follow Jesus back, go to our next course. Because God did have move from course to course with doing works and teaching parables and so. But no man, them Pharisees are need to do something about them life. And we have some Pharisees today in their life, you know. There's some religious people who are just a teach us of a doctrine and they don't know nothing about God. As what God did I say, some people, them only use their mouth for praise you and make you think say, yeah, and me and God in a things. Yes. But the heart is not with me. Them heart is far away from me. So I pray out them people there. Pharisees to that but yes, glory to God in the highest. God set up the friends. I just love you. God, that's the best. What I talk about is from Matthew 13 mostly. Matthew 13, God start talking about the parables them. God start doing the teaching. I lie. March 12. Matthew 12, Jesus started to do his teachings to the different course and to different people. So allow me to talk about is Matthew, God's works on land. 100. So Jesus had compassion on them and touched their eyes, and immediately their eyes received sight and they followed them. Alright. Another thing may I realize, you see, yes, God did give Jesus the work, him work, heal, for minister, for comfort, for mainly for teach the gospel, right? And may I see where God will move from one course to the next course with a multitude of people, and people start see him and them stop and call out and say, God, may I cry out to you, come here, me want help. And God is like, God humble and say, what is it that you want me to do? And God and them say, God, me can't see me want you to touch my eyes and make me heal, and God just do it. God just do it. God never say, no, me not know you, oh you. God not still like some of the Pharisees them where we have on earth today. We say, me have healing touch. And me not heal she because she did this to me and me did this to she. You see, people just, the world changed now still, because it's funny how in the Bible God wants us to be like him, where for teach the word, for minister, evangelize, for heal, for rebuke the devil, for do good deeds, for still save people, but yet still we're caught up in our work. We just feel like when we work we get money, and the money we get we not give it to us, God, not knowing that I him give you the money and give you the strength to be able to do the work, you know. No, we do money, get the money, we put in a savings, we start, so we're gonna build house and buy land and look man and look woman, and nothing for God we not do. We not say, alright, we get little money, now go buy 9 pieces of chicken and give out to the homeless. Or may not that you feel you're not feel live your life. No, yes, you're gonna live your life because you need to live, but still, you know, yes, we need to do such thing. We need to be like God. We can't be perfect because we are human. We're totally different from God. Because most of the things that where God do on earth, me I look on it and I say, boy, God, you're good. You're good. Because the first man will question me, I come and talk about who with him rank self. Who is you? Who is you? To be healing people with them sting self, but because them blind, them can't see, them not realize it's God the man, the Son of God. Them not realize, them just feel like other people like themselves. You understand? So God is good all the time. God is good. Yes, talking about money and so and working and so we don't feel live a life and thinking about we need to really zero in on our soul. So yeah, our heart, because at the end of the day, after the things that we will buy up and sell up and things and we'll feel good in ourselves, so we accomplish goals and success, we are going to lay look and heroes and we do so much for the country, do all sort of success for the country. Them dead gone, and some of we not even remember what the things and what them do for we. Some of we don't remember some of the things and what legends and heroes do for the country. So some of them something there what them did do gone in a vein. So may I say and may I encourage anybody where I see this, if you just focus on your soul, focus on your heart. Then if you understand what soul means, focus on your heart, be true to yourself, be true to God, you know, spend more time on him, because the body is just like, alright, the body I protect the soul, you see me. So if you I walk around and I do the things in way you're not supposed to do, the soul is being affected when you're not doing that. But if you want to build up your soul and keep your soul upright and, you know, make sure it's up and ready when judgment time come and touch, make sure the body, whatever you're doing for the body, you're living and you're pleasing God, you're pleasing your heart to God. Because at the end of the day, we are going to deadlift everything, we will build up and all of this. Not saying we're not to live a life, get me right. Me not say we're not to live a life and be happy. But still, live your life and live for please God just the same. That's all.